Welcome to Jasmic Commodities LLC. We want to introduce you to our newest commodity. It's called the Jasmic Sound Generator. This is a patented transducer crystal system. It's a speakerless sound generator that turns any surface it touches into a speaker. This is a short demonstration of how it works and its capabilities. It comes with a custom built box, a little lock on the side. Comes with the crystal unit itself, AC adapter, and remote. Plug this in. Some of our future units also is going to come with a battery pack. This particular unit is just with an AC adapter. Once again, it plugs in here. Once again, it's got, on the base unit, it's got LEDs, different colors that play with the music. Once again, the sound is actually on. You can't hear it until you actually set it onto a surface. Remote control. Once again, we've got this little remote. You can increase the volume. Once again, you can hear the difference. Once you set it onto a surface, you can hear it when you increase the volume. And then it's also got a channel changer. Takes it to the next one. Once again, you can change channels. You can see how the LEDs light up with the different music. Now, once again, it's on a surface. You take it off, you can't hear it. Once again, if you have a sconce or a table or something that's up against the wall, you can actually turn your entire wall into a speaker. And once again, if it was sitting up like this on a sconce, it would pick up the vibration through the sconce or through the table. Once again, on the holographics, you could actually put your company logo in there. We've had some where we can drill the top out and put a flower pot in there. Just all different kinds of things for decorations and or advertisements for your company, promotions for your employees, all different kinds of things from that end. Once again, this is provided to you by Jasmic Commodities LLC. You can contact us at Jesse at 480-206-5603. His email is jesse at sw-eq.com, or you can contact me at 602-710-0155, or email me at mike at sw-eq.com.